Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from DigitalOcean Droplets using Snapshots, complete guide step by step clearly. To withdraw from DigitalOcean Droplets using Snapshots, begin by logging into your DigitalOcean account. Once logged in, navigate to the Droplets section in the control panel. Identify the droplet you wish to withdraw from. Next, click on the name of the droplet to access its details. In the Droplet Details page, look for the Snapshots tab, usually located in the left sidebar. Click on the Take Snapshot button to create a snapshot of your droplet. You will be prompted to name your snapshot, so choose a descriptive name. After naming the snapshot, click on the Take Snapshot button to confirm. Wait for the snapshot creation process to complete. Once the snapshot is ready, go back to the Snapshots tab. Here, you will see the newly created snapshot listed. To withdraw the droplet, go back to the Droplets section. Select the droplet again and click on the Destroy button located at the top right corner. You will receive a confirmation message asking if you're sure you want to destroy the droplet. Confirm the action to proceed with withdrawal. After the droplet is destroyed, navigate to the Snapshots section under the main menu. Here, you will find your snapshot available for future use. You can now restore your droplet from this snapshot at any time if needed. That's it. You've successfully withdrawn from DigitalOcean Droplets using Snapshots. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.